In this video, we are going to discuss about problem management. So, what is a problem management? A problem management in a single line is called or identifying root cause of incident or incident. That means identifying the root cause of incidents which are reoccurring. We can see the objectives of problem management here. To ensure that problems are identified and resolved. So, the problem should be identified and root cause analysis should be performed and it should be resolved with proper workaround or proper set of guidelines. To eliminate reoccurring of incidents. So, based on the root cause analysis, we can eliminate the reoccurring of incidents or reoccurrence of the incidents. To minimize the impact of the incidents or problems that cannot be prevented. So, to minimize the occurrence or impact of the occurrence of incidents or problems that cannot be prevented. So, what are the key concepts in problem management? The key concepts are problem. A problem is a root cause of one or more incident is called a problem. So, coming to what is a problem model? A mode or set of guidelines to deal with the problems which cannot be prevented is called a problem model. Coming to workaround, a temporary solution or a quick fix which enables the user to continue using the service even though the root cause is not identified or removed. That means we give a workaround to use the service back, or we give a quick fix to the service to get back online using the services. So, even though the root cause is not identified, also this workaround will help the user to use the service without any problem. Usually problem team suggests a workaround and incident team implements it. So, problem team will provide the workaround or a set of guidelines or a quick fix solution, and the incident team will follow up with the service desk or a remote desktop support team and implements it. So, what is a known error? A problem for which the root cause is already identified and a temporary workaround has been made available to the users to use is called a known error. A known error is resolved by eliminating the root cause permanently. Example, you can take via request for change. So, by raising a request for change, a known error is resolved by eliminating the root cause analysis permanently. Known error database. The purpose of this database is to maintain a record of all the previous incidents, problems and also known errors with the proper documentation. In the next video, we will be discussing about the problem management types.